Start. Hi friends, so if you live in foreign countries like your USA, Canada or Europe, or you live in Nainital in India where the weather is mostly cold and it's snowfalls, it's very hard to make curd in those seasons. And also if during summers it's not easy, so the way you make curd in these countries is different than how you might be making it in South India or North India, for example. So I'm going to explain you how to make good curd today. Okay, so we first take a reduced fat organic milk. So this is from Sprouts, but you can take any milk. If you don't have organic milk, you can even use any normal non-organic milk and reduced fat or high fat. And I like this one because this has the reduced fat and it has vitamin A and D, as you can see. So this is good selections of milk at Sprouts. Okay, so we will take it in a pyrex glassware. If you see, these things are very popular in US. I believe you can get certain similar kinds of vessels in other places as well. And after taking this milk, we will warm it. So we don't want to boil the milk, so here you see we have a microwave and we are going, it depends on the quantity of milk. So you see this milk is 8 cup jar, and we will put 6 minutes for warming the milk. And after the milk is warm, we will come back again. Thank you. This is the milk, and 8 cup milk warmed for 6 minutes here in microwave. And this we have the sample of curd. So we have to stir the milk for a while so that it is slightly warm, lukewarm, and because we want to settle for a temperature that is good for fermentation, and we have to wait. So typically you have to do it for 1 minute or sometimes 2 minutes depending on the room temperature. So right now I am at 85 Fahrenheit, so I will take approximately 2 minutes to stir it so that the temperature is uniform and it cool down a little bit, and we will wait for a lukewarm temperature. If you can touch the outside of the vessel to feel the temperature, if you can put your hands for a while, but you cannot keep it for longer, so that is more like a good temperature to settle on. And you can also check with finger on the temperature. So typically it should be slightly warm over the room temperature, and then we will mix the sample, stir it, and cover the vessel and put it into a microwave oven. So now it has been around 2 minutes since we stir it and leave it, and now the temperature is pretty good, and we will add the sample. So choice of sample, the amount of sample is important. So you see for the 8 cup milk we have approximately 8 tablespoons of curd, 5 tablespoons of curd, and we stir it again to make sure that it's uniformly mixed. And after that, after doing it for a few seconds, 10 to 15 seconds, we will take it and keep it inside a microwave oven. So I like to switch on the lights in the oven like 5 minutes before I have to keep the milk inside, so that it is little warm and temperature already built. And after we keep it, we close it, and we will open it after 12 hours. And if we delay and open it after 15 hours or longer than 12, the curd will be very sour, not good in taste. So the time at which you take the curd out is very important. So I recommend taking the curd out after 10 or 11 or 12 hours or so. Thank you for watching this. We will be improvising on some other daily tips and sharing with you soon, guys. So after 12 hours, now we will take the curd out and trying to see. So here you can see the curd is ready. You can see the texture of the curd is really nice, and you can smell it, and you will feel that it's really the curd smell. And typically you can keep it at room temperature for 1 or 2 minutes, and then you can cover it with the lid and keep it in fridge. And typically I recommend using this curd within 5 days or up to 1 week, because after that the curd becomes very sour and the taste is not great. So, and you can enjoy this curd with poha, chuda, and you can have it with paratha, stuffed parathas, and you can also make raita. We will explain making raita in next videos, so stay tuned and subscribe the channel if you like this video. Bye.